We're looking at a cicada killer that just recently caught a cicada, and it continually is stabbing it. If you watch, it's stabbing it to kill it. And what it does is it brings back the cicada to its nest. It's a solitary nest, and it leaves the dead carcass of the cicada in the ground so that after the cicada killer lays its eggs, the newly hatched eggs have fresh meat to eat. It's amazing that the cicada killer is probably 1.5 times smaller than the cicada itself, both in weight and in size, but nonetheless. And by the way, the cicada killer grabbed the cicada while it was in flight. That's what's amazing. I've seen this happen before. Like a bombing torpedo, it swoops out of the air, grabs the cicada in flight, stabbing it to numb it with its venom, dragging it back to its nest to leave it there to die so that the newly freshly laid eggs will have food. It just keeps stabbing and stabbing and stabbing. Look at that. And that cicada is cooked. He's toast already. He's not even buzzing. He's not moving. So he's out. But the cicada, hey, look at it. Grabs him. Look how well he manipulates that carcass. And slowly but surely wind up getting him into his hole. Fascinating.